Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to find the Bright Photographic Style on iOS 26. If you're using iOS 26 and you want to get Bright Photographic Style on your iOS or iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you have to make sure that you are updated your software to iOS 26, and then you have to open up your camera app, and here you have to tap on these six dots in the top right corner, and you will get this type section. You will get the styles option here. You have to simply tap on it, and here you have to just look for some bright modes. Let's see how can you do this. You can easily swipe to right or left to change different modes. So here you have to look for some bright mode. Here you can see this we have in bright mode in the right section, so you have to swipe it to left, and you have to swipe until and you get the bright mode. And once you get bright mode, you can easily use that. And here you can see there's a bright mode in iOS 26. So in this way you can easily use your bright photographic style on iOS 26. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.